Prevent paint puddling at the baseboard carpet edge by controlling paint load and using the drywall knife as an immediate drip shield. Start with a thin, angled sash brush or small foam brush and load it with only a light amount of paint so the first pass lays down a film instead of a bead. Hold the drywall knife with a firm but relaxed grip and press its flat edge gently against the carpet pile so it rides along the face of the carpet and intercepts any downward run. Work in short, controlled strokes of 2 to 4 inches and immediately wipe the knife on a rag after every 2 to 3 strokes to remove accumulated paint. Tip the paint back into the tray and re-dip rather than overloading the brush. If you feel resistance when pulling the brush from the can, you have too much paint. Keep visual checks on the carpet edge as you move along and pause briefly every few feet to lift the knife and inspect for hidden drips trapped in the carpet fibers. Use a second clean rag or a small plastic scraper to lift any stray beads before they set and allow only minimal drying time before removing the knife so the knife does not stick and drag paint down. The most common mistake is overloading the brush, which creates beads that run under the knife. Fix this by wiping excess off the brush on the rim or tray and using lighter dips. Another frequent issue is holding the drywall knife at an inconsistent angle so it gaps and lets paint seep through. Maintain a shallow, consistent angle and press evenly against the carpet. People often leave the knife in place too long after painting, which causes paint buildup on the knife edge. Remove and clean the knife immediately and never let it sit coated against the carpet while paint is still wet. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to let contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where people share tips and ask questions about projects like preventing paint puddling at baseboards.